I'm wondering, what is your favorite color? Yesterday we sang the favorite color song, but let's sing it again. Okay, my favorite color is purple. Good job, you know it. Now let's sing our favorite color song. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. So tell me, what is yours? I'm listening. But wait, first, let's sing this part. Is it blue? Is it yellow? Is it black? Is it red? Is it orange? Is it purple? Is it green? Is it brown? Is it pink? All the colors of the rainbow. Now tell me, which one, pretty please? Now tell me, your favorite color is... Okay. Your favorite color is... Yes, your favorite color is... Thank you for sharing with me. Tell me again. Your favorite color is... Yeah, your favorite color is... Okay, your favorite color is... Thank you for sharing with me. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the favorite color song. That's the letter N. N is for nest. Now, let's color the letter N brown. Before we do that, I think we should take a look at the letter N. This is the big letter N, and that is the small letter N. N is for nest. Are you ready to color? Let's do it. Don't worry if you don't have your flashcard. But if you do, then join me, color the letter N brown. If you don't have your flashcard and you'd like to have your copy, go over to my flashcards video where I teach you how to create all 26 letters. Okay, let's color the letter N brown. That's our letter N. It's brown. N is for nest. I hope you enjoyed coloring the letter N. Don't forget, N is for nest. See you next time.